Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Selenium Automation Academy. So in this video, we'll be looking into handling iframes in Selenium. So in this video, I will show you what is an iframe, how to switch into it, and ways to switch to iframes, and switching back to the main page again, nested frames, real-time demo, and interview question as well. So what is an iframe? So iframe is HTML document embedded inside another HTML document. So as you guys know, this is the HTML document. Okay, inside that one more document will be there, that is the iframe. Okay, so if you want to do some actions in the iframe, you have to switch into the iframe first, and then you have to do some actions, then only it will work, or else it will show no such element exception. Okay. So HTML document embedded inside another HTML document. It is used for ads, editors, videos, or payment gateways. Okay. So in this video, we will be showing how we can achieve this in this particular editor. Okay. Next one. Why do we need to switch? Selenium works in current DOM only. Elements inside frames are not directly accessible. Without switching, it will show no such element exception. Okay, so Selenium will have access towards this complete DOM elements. Okay, but inside that iframe, it don't have access. So if you want to have access, then we have to switch into that iframe. Then only we can able to access the things. Okay, for that we have three things. Okay, what are those? See, switch to driver dot switch to dot frame. We have index. We can pass index or name or the ID here, or the web element. Okay, there are three ways to switch into iframe: index, name or ID, and web element. Okay, so this is also one of the most important question. And next one, switching using index. Index starts from 0, as you guys know. This so driver dot switch to dot frame. Inside that we have to pass the index. I will show you the real-time demo as well once after this. Switch using name. I will show you this one as well. This is recommended if ID or name exists. This is more stable as well, and the most reliable method is using the web element. Okay, this is the most reliable. Driver dot switch to dot frame. Inside that we can pass the web element that we find out with the find elements. Okay, so this is one of the main thing. So whenever you are going to iframes, right, you should switch back again to the main content, like the default content, or else it will be there in the iframe only, and you can't access the things other than the iframes. If you come out of the iframe only, then only you can able to access the HTML documents. That is the outside the HTML document. That one mandatory after frame operations. Okay, nested frames. So this will be having lot of iframes, like inside the iframe, one more iframe it will be there. I will show you the real-time example as well here. Okay, we'll see that one now. So this is one of the iframe. Okay, this is the iframe. This is the inner iframe, and one more iframe it will be there. This is the outer one. Okay, this is called as the nested one by one. Okay, and perform action switching back to the default content. Okay, common exception. What are the exceptions we will be having? No such element exception, no such frame exception, frame not switched properly. Mostly we'll be having no such element exception in the real time. Okay, interview question. I will come back after completing the real time demo here. So first one, what we have to do? Okay. Okay, I have created a class here, that is iFrame demo, and main method also I have created. So next one, I'm creating the object for Chrome driver here. Okay, this is the WebDriver. This is an interface, and WebDriver reference I have creating, and new Chrome driver. This is the object reference. Okay. Okay. So now what I'm going to do? I'm going to maximize the browser. Okay. So for that one, Windows dot manage Is that one? Sorry, driver dot windows. Sorry, manage dot maximize. Okay, this will maximize the browser. Next one, what we are going to do? I'm going to paste that URL. Okay, so for that one, driver dot get. I'm passing the URL here. Okay, next what we are going to do, driver dot switch to dot frame. Okay, in this one, so I'm going to switch to this particular one. I'm inspecting here. So this is the one frame, but it is the inner frame. Okay, we don't know. We need this after switching to the particular parent frame. So this is the name or ID we can pass. So I'm using that one. As I said here, driver dot switch to dot frame iFrame result. So this is for ID or name. Okay, I'm using this here. So this one. So what it will do? It will switch to this particular iFrame first. What we have to do? Again, we need to switch into that inner frame. Okay, so how we are going to do? Same thing. Driver dot switch to dot frame. I'm passing the index here. You can check here. So this is the first outer frame, and this is the where it is. This is the inner frame, and we have only one iframe inside that outer frame, so we can pass 0 here. Okay, next what I'm going to do, driver dot find element by dot tag name. I'm using tag name here. So what is the tag name? I want this title to be printed inside this iframe. What is the tag? H1. Okay, H1. So H1 is there. Web element. What is the name? We can take its title. Okay. Now I'm going to print the title. So title as title dot get text. This will print the title. So what is the next main step? We have to switch to the driver dot switch to dot default content. So again we will come back and driver dot quit. That's it. I'm executing it. We'll see whether it is getting passed or not. Okay, the title is this page is displayed in the iframe. That's it. So this is how iframe works. Okay, this is for the outer frame. This is for the inner frame, and this is for get text for the title, and this is the main important thing, switching to the main content. That's it. Okay, so this is how iframe works. Okay, we did switch to iframe name or id here, and index is also completed. Web element, it is almost the same. See here, I can pass the web element as well. So instead of this, right? Okay, I will show you that one as well here. Driver dot find element by dot xpath. In this xpath, I'm using this one. ID I can take /id at sorry, I can take this frame. I don't know whether it will work or not. ID equal to so WebElement iFrame. I can pause here. Frame. Then we'll see whether it will work or not. Okay, I'm executing it. We'll see. It got paused. See, these are the three steps here. Okay, one is this one by name or ID. This one is by web elements. This one is by frame, like index things. Okay, all three are completed. So this is how the iFrame works in Selenium. But if we check in Playwright, that is completely different. I will upload one video for that one as well. So we'll go to the documentation again. Okay, so common exceptions we have seen. Interview questions. How many ways to switch to iFrames? 3 ways. Okay, only 3 ways are there. How to return to the main default content. Best practices. Always inspect iFrame tag. Prefer ID or web element over index. Switch back to the complete after completion. Handle nest frames carefully. All these 4 things were included in the video. I have shown you everything. And sorry. iFrames create separate DOM. Must switch before interaction. So yes guys, that is the thing. So you just take a note, and so these are the things, like it will cover almost the interview questions. These are like the basic stuffs. If you are into some project, no, you will have deep more like exposure towards it. Yes, do share this video to your friends. If they are manual testers who want to learn automation, do subscribe as well. Do like, comment as well, and share maximum. Thank you everyone.